Welcome back to Vintage American Cars, where we bring you the finest collection of classic American vehicles. In today's video, we have 10 incredible finds, all in various stages of restoration, perfect for collectors, project enthusiasts, or anyone with a passion for vintage rides. Let's dive into today's list of classic cars for sale. 101, 1967 Pontiac Grand Prix, $4,000. Located in Hawley, Pennsylvania, this red convertible is an iconic piece of Pontiac's history. It comes equipped with a rebuilt 290 horsepower 400 V8 engine from 1968 and a quadrajet carburetor, making it a powerhouse for its time. Originally, the Grand Prix was introduced as a luxury car with muscle car performance, blending the best of both worlds. Though this one requires restoration or can serve as a parts car, it comes with a donor shell of a 1967 Catalina convertible for extra restoration parts. It's an excellent project for someone who values Pontiac's heritage. Notably, the Grand Prix was famous for introducing more power options and maintaining a sleek style. This car also features power windows, brakes, and an 8-track player, adding to its period charm. 1977 Ford Thunderbird, $3,500. Available in Quincy, Illinois, this Thunderbird in red with a white interior is a true survivor. Known for its iconic design in the 1970s, the 77 Thunderbird came after Ford shifted towards larger, more luxurious personal coupes. It comes with a 400 V8 engine, and everything is functional, including the air conditioning. This particular model belonged to the seller's fiancé, who has taken great care of it. The Thunderbird became a symbol of American luxury during this period, and it's a great piece for any collector looking to restore a vehicle from Ford's legacy lineup. The Mer 3 1967 Plymouth Fury 3, $3,500. Currently located in Caledonia, Michigan, this white Fury 3 with a red interior comes with a big block 440 engine and a Cam Edelbrock intake, giving it immense power. While Plymouth released the Fury 3 as part of its full-size vehicle lineup in the 1960s, this car evolved into a favorite for drag racers thanks to its high-performance potential. Though it needs a bit of work, especially with the flywheel and some rear suspension parts, it has plenty of new upgrades like brake lines and U-bolts. It's an excellent candidate for a muscle car enthusiast who loves Plymouth's rich racing history. Honda 4, 1967 Oldsmobile 98 convertible, $900. In Bean Station, Tennessee, we have a true restoration project, a 1967 Oldsmobile 98 convertible, which doesn't have an engine or transmission. This model was Oldsmobile's top-tier offering in the luxury car segment, known for its smooth ride and powerful V8 engines. Although this vehicle is incomplete, the body is solid, and with a bit of love and hard work, it could be returned to its original glory. Introduced in 1940, the Oldsmobile 98 was always a flagship model, and the 1967 version came with lavish styling. At this price, it's a rare opportunity for someone to restore a vintage Olds. Five, 1977 Chevrolet Nova, $4,000. Next up, we have a 1977 Chevrolet Nova, located in Cave City, Arkansas. This Blue Beauty comes with a rebuilt 5.3 engine equipped with Fatec EFI, SS3 cam, and ported heads. The Chevrolet Nova was known for being a reliable, affordable muscle car option in the 1960s and 1970s. This one needs a few more adjustments to make it roadworthy, but it's packed with potential. It also comes with 4.88 gears, perfect for anyone looking to customize or restore a car with a powerful engine and great street appeal. 6. 1971 Buick Electra 225, $3,500. In Hampton, Virginia, we have a deuce and a quarter, a 1971 Buick Electra 225. This model, one of Buick's top luxury vehicles, was known for its size and smooth ride, powered by a 455 big block V8 engine. It's a running and driving car, ready for a light restoration to bring it back to its former glory. The Electra was a hallmark of 1970s luxury and still holds a place in American automotive history. With no rust on the body and all the original trim in place, this Buick is an excellent restoration candidate. Number 7. 1973 Pontiac Catalina, $4,000. This green 1973 Pontiac Catalina, located in Macon, Georgia, is an all-original classic with a 400 block engine. The Catalina was Pontiac's full-sized workhorse, known for its strong build and reliable performance. With 2 owners and a solid body, this vehicle is a prime example of 1970s American automotive design. With everything original, it's a great base for someone looking to maintain the authenticity of a classic Pontiac. 8. 1974 Buick Regal Coupe, $3,999. In Milwaukee, Wisconsin, we find a 1974 Buick Regal Coupe, a one-owner vehicle with only 85,000 miles. The Regal was Buick's answer to the growing popularity of personal luxury cars in the 1970s. This gold-colored coupe needs some mechanical work, as the engine likely requires a rebuild, but its interior is in nearly perfect condition. The vinyl top is also in excellent shape, and with minimal rust, this car is a great candidate for a restoration project. Nine, 1981 Pontiac Trans Am and $4,000. In Cordova, Tennessee, we have a special edition, a 1981 Pontiac Trans Am 4.9 V8 Turbo, a NASCAR Daytona 500 pace car. This Trans Am is number 536 of only 2,000 made, making it a highly collectible piece of Pontiac history. With only 69,000 miles on the clock, this car comes with its original T-tops and paperwork from the Norwood, Ohio assembly plant. The 1981 Trans Am, with its turbocharged engine and racing pedigree, remains a fan favorite for its aggressive styling and powerful performance. Nash 10. 1968 Oldsmobile Car 42, $4,500. Last but not least, we have a 1968 Oldsmobile Cutlass 442, located in Elmira, New York. While it's currently not running, this project car retains its original 400 V8 engine and 400 turbo transmission. The 442 was Oldsmobile's answer to the muscle car craze of the 1960s, with its name signifying 4-barrel carb, 4-speed transmission, and dual exhaust. This one will need a full restoration, but with the original parts intact, it's an excellent foundation for someone looking to bring an Olds muscle car back to life. That wraps up today's list of classic American cars. If you're looking for a new project or just love admiring vintage vehicles, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome content from Vintage American Cars. Until next time, happy restoring!